I can't believe we're finally going to the beach. I'll be honest, it's been a while since I've been to the beach. We have one where we come from, and I think my parents tried to take me when I was little, but I hated the sand. Mom said I had the meltdown of the century when I got some sand in my shorts. It was funny. Like, it's funny to think about it now, but it certainly wasn't funny then. I was never an outdoor girl back then either. I didn't even like playing outside when it was recess, so the teachers would always let me stay with them and let me help around the classroom, or they would let me draw or play it inside instead. But now I can't even seem to ever come back inside. Sorry, hey, did we remember the bug spray? That's what I forgot, the bug spray. Oh well, it's fine. Bugs are probably too hot to come and bother us anyway. At least we remembered the sunscreen, right? Good, I've had sunburn before. It's not fun. Oh, cool. It's a good thing we brought the cooler as well, so the water doesn't get cold. And it's a good thing we bought the first aid kit, because you never know. I know I should just relax, but I'm the person who likes to be prepared for anything and everything. Any unexpected thing makes me feel really panicked. One time, I went to Australia with my parents on vacation. This was when I was about 11 or 12, so I was able to tolerate the beach a little bit better. Believe it or not, I got stung by a jellyfish. Yeah, it hurt pretty bad. Like, you know how when you get stung by a bee, it hurts? Okay, imagine that, multiply that by a gazillion. I might be exaggerating, but I was screaming, and I never scream. Like, I was screaming so loud that the whole beach could probably hear me. And there weren't that many people. I think there were like 20 or 30 people there, because it was kind of later in the day versus in the afternoon when it's usually really, really busy. Anyway, my parents were trying so hard not to freak out. Like, they didn't know if I was allergic or if I would go into anaphylactic shock, because, you know, I'd never even been stung by a jellyfish before. We don't have jellyfish where I live, thank goodness. But if they did freak out, it would make me feel more frightened, and it would send me into more of a panic state, and probably even a meltdown, but luckily the lifeguard knew what to do. He helped all of us calm down. I mean, it's kind of his job to, you know, provide first aid and then at the same time keep people from completely losing it. Though he was probably pretty concerned too, because yeah. Anyway, then after that, like after I got stung, it started to rain. He jokingly said it was some sort of curse, and it made me laugh so much that I'd almost forgotten about the pain. Almost. I mean, you can't have any worse luck than me that day. I was stung by a jellyfish, and then it started to rain, and everybody else was like running back to their cars, and yeah, it was pretty funny. It was funny. I mean, now it's funny. Back then, it wasn't, you know? So yeah, after he did some basic first aid, he did tell me just to go to the doctor and get it checked out, just to make sure everything was okay, and that the reaction wasn't too severe. Everything was good, obviously. I've still got my foot. Yeah. I was able to go back. The doctor said, if you want, you can go back to the beach, but I didn't want to take another chance. So, we went out to eat. We actually had a picnic. You know? At least there aren't any jellyfish around here, so we should be just fine. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I just get a little nervous when I talk about jellyfish. I mean, you ask what my biggest fear is, it's not anything like, I'm not afraid of snakes, I'm not afraid of bees, I'm not afraid of spiders, but I am definitely afraid of jellyfish. Yeah. Whoa, you're really sweating a lot. Are you okay? It's kind of obvious, like, I can see it on your shirt. It's okay. Here, why don't we stop here? Just put the blanket down here, right under this shady palm tree, and we can get a nice drink of water. There we go. That's better. Whoa, there are way more people than I thought there would be. It's okay. I don't mind big crowds as long as it's in a big space. Like if I'm going to the grocery store or if I'm going to like a sort of place where there's not a whole lot of room, sounds just feel elevated. You know, if I'm in a grocery store and a child is having a fit or a tantrum, that sound just like echoes off the walls, and you know, it's just a bunch of technical stuff, but the short explanation is I don't like loud sounds. Here. Is that good? Do you have enough water there? Or, I mean, I got lots of extra bottles just in case. Okay. Fine. Oh, yeah, just pour it all over you. Okay. I put my swim clothes underneath my shirt, jeans. So all I have to do is good. See? That saves a whole lot of embarrassment and a whole lot of modesty. I mean, I know we're dating, but still, there's just some things that need to be left a mystery, you know? I know. Okay. Yeah, we can just leave them here in a pile. I'm sure no one will steal them while we're in the water. Oh. Yeah, we should put some sunscreen on. Here. There. Oh, do you want me to help you put it on your back? Come on, it's no trouble at all. Okay, just turn around and face the water. I want to make sure I get it all over. You already put it on your face, right? And your legs, chest, that sort of area? Okay. Right then, I'm just going to finish putting on mine, and we'll be all set. Oh, you want to do me now? Okay. It feels, it's cold, like. Okay. Look, I know we have to put this on for protection and everything, but it still feels very weird. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. Want to see who can get to the water first? Okay. What happens when we win? I don't know. What about whoever loses has to be the first one to jump in the water? No questions asked, no hesitation. Does that sound fair? Okay, shake on it. Alright. Ready? Set.